Hi, today we're gonna learn about different modes. Create a polygon cube, select the object, then press and hold the right click button. We can see different modes here: object mode, edge, vertex, and face. Let's start with the face mode. Simply click on the face button. Now we are in a face mode. Okay, what is a face? If we click on this is the face. Everything around is not selected, only this is selected, and this selected structure consisting of 4 corners is called as face. We can move face in any direction, so this is a face mode. Now going to edge mode by pressing and holding right click button and sliding up to the edge button. Now we are in edge mode. And yes, what is an edge? So you see this blue line, each blue line is an edge. We can move the edge in any direction and it will change the shape of the model. Now going to vertex mode. Here are some dots of red color, and if we click on them they will get selected and turn into yellow color. And again we can move any of the vertex of the object and you can see it is changing the shape of the object. Now we're going to the object mode. You can select the object as a whole in this mode and can work on this. Now let's work on insert edge loop, and for that we will create a new polygon cube. If you want subdividers, well, we can use the power of insert edge loop tool. This is under the mesh tools, and here is the insert edge loop. This is very interesting and useful tool when it comes to modeling. Okay, click on the model and simply hold down left click and you can place your loop anywhere that you want. It is as simple as that. Now we're gonna work on extrude tool, and for this you have to do is select a face that you would like to extrude. Move over to edit mesh and here is extrude. Shortcut key to extrude is Ctrl+E key on the keyboard. Okay, we are just going to make a quick selection of faces. So it doesn't look like anything happened just yet. So let's extrude by using a transform tool, and as you can see, using the transform tool is quite an effective way to extrude things. And that's the basic of these tools. We hope you found this chapter helpful. Thanks for watching.